One of the most common things people want to know is their RV compatible with lithium? And the components that need to be compatible would be your battery charger. They also tend to call it a converter on mainstream RVs, your DC to DC charger, and your solar charger. Some auto detect and are compatible, but it seems like the vast majority of them, you need to go into the settings and adjust the parameters because lithium batteries charge differently than lead acid batteries. So as time goes on, you will find more and more compatible lithium components in these things. Let's show what we are working with specifically on this camper. So right here's our panel for the WFCO battery charger and converter. And clearly it says lead acid lithium auto detect. So that one was pretty easy, like just literally it worked. Over here, oh no, that's the thermostat. There it is. That's the GoPower solar charge controller. Not my favorite thing in the world, to be honest, but simple settings adjustment, I was able to switch it over to lithium. Like I mentioned, 460 amp hour single battery underneath the bed in the pass-through. Essentially, put the battery inside. The wires from the previous battery location needed to get put inside, so we drilled holes through the floor in appropriate places, and then we routed the wires up through there. After chatting with our friend Dan, an electrical engineer, he advised and jogged my memory that we probably should relocate the breaker that should be within like 18 inches of the battery itself inside, because it then had a longer run on out for the positive wire. So you want to have that breaker as close to the battery as possible. I don't want to make it seem too overly simplified, but it literally was just mark the spot, cut some pieces of wood, make some wires, route the wires, and get a couple eyes and a tie down ratchet to secure the battery in place. That was literally it. Okay,